Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. What's up? What's going on? How have you guys been? I know it's not been a minute. I posted last week. What's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Chichi. If you see my beautiful face for the first time, welcome to the channel. I'm a Lagos-based YouTuber and I create content about lifestyle, faith, and everything in between. So welcome to the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and you can go a step further by hitting the notification bell. So now whenever I post a video, you are the first to see it. Welcome to the channel, and today I have an exciting announcement. I'm sure from the title you already know. But well, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into today's video. Yes, I moved because I'm not a tree. I finally moved out of Lagos, guys. I now live in Port Harcourt. I'm a Port Harcourt based YouTuber now. Yes, guys, I finally moved to Port Harcourt. It's not a permanent move anyway. I'm here for a course, which I'm going to tell you guys about in a bit. But for the first time in a very long time, I left Lagos to stay semi-permanently somewhere else. Okay, the truth is, I came to Port Harcourt for a training. As you guys know, I'm a fashion designer. Yes, I've been sewing for a while, but I wanted to take my fashion to the next level. I wanted to go for an advanced course so I can have an in-depth knowledge of fashion designing, and I wanted to start doing bridals. So I needed the proper foundation and training. So that's what brought me to Port Harcourt. Okay, a little backstory on how I found the school in Port Harcourt. So when I got back from Zambia, I told myself that okay, I was going to come back to Lagos to come and harness my skills, come and hone my skills, like get better at everything I was doing. I was going to go for an upgrade in makeup, go for an upgrade in fashion designing, just necessarily upgrade myself, because even last year 2020 I tagged it 2020 my year of upgrade, but then Corona came and everything had to take a back seat. So sometime in it has always been on my mind to go for the training. So I found the school in Lagos and they were supposed to resume September. So I tried to get my money ready, get everything that I was going to need ready for the fashion school, but I was yet to pay. I kept checking and everything. So I was yet to pay. Then one day on Instagram, I saw a post randomly, like the most random post ever. There was this bride, it was a traditional wedding, and she was wearing a beautiful green corset-like dress, and I was like, this dress is amazing. In my mind, I just knew that, I told myself that this dress can never, it was not made in Nigeria. I beg, this must have been made maybe abroad, maybe in Dubai, or maybe in China, just somewhere where they go and make their, people take their clothes abroad to make. So I was thinking it was one of those dresses. Then I ran into the same picture somewhere else again, and at that point the designer was tagged. So I sought that out. I looked at her picture. I was like, man, this woman is amazing. She can really make garments, and the technique she used mostly in her fashion designing were techniques I've always seen them using there abroad. I was like, okay, this is what I actually really want. Then I found out that she had a fashion academy. And I was like, no. I showed it to my sister. She was like, you have to come here. This woman is really good. You have to go for this training. I'm like, it's in Port Harcourt. So she was like, don't worry, just keep an open mind. But you really have to go. So I started making plans towards coming to Port Harcourt for the training. I sent her a DM and she told me, send me an email. I sent an email. They sent me the course fees and everything. The course fee was mind blowing. It was out of this world. I was like, okay, God will help me. Somehow I was like, I still wanted to still come. But anyways, I managed to sort that out, and your girl finally made the move. Any sound you're hearing, just ignore, because in this area, the houses are built they are closely built. So if I stretch my hand too much, then I can even choke my hand inside my neighbor's pot of soup. It is that serious. Yes. So I started making plans on how to come to Port Harcourt. Even coming this January, I wasn't even ready. I can't even lie. At the point, I even had to call the school like, oh, is there another opening for later, maybe middle of the year or second quarter of the year, so I can maybe move my training and everything. And they told me no, she only takes one intake a year, and the next intake is going to be in 2022. So I had to make myself ready, even if I wasn't. I don't want to make this video unnecessarily long, but basically the truth is I'm now in Port Harcourt. I got here like a couple of days ago. I'm still trying to find my feet around. I'm sharing a flat with 3 other ladies, and yeah, I had to share because I was going to look for a self apartment where I could stay by myself, but it was really expensive. And to be honest, apart from the fees for this course, the materials for the course are more expensive than the fees. Like I already said, this fees is really expensive, but the materials for the course, they are more expensive. So I don't tell you guys how much it's costing, but it's a lot. So I had to like, okay, let me share just to cut down costs. So I'm sharing a flat. I'll give you guys a house tour. There's nothing to tour. I just want to show you an empty apartment tour, because to be honest, there's nothing in this house. We're just going to be here for a few months, so we just have the things that can help us basically survive until then. This video is already getting long, guys. I have so much to tell you guys about the move, but I'm just going to stop the video here so it's not overly long. So guys, I'll be trying to see what Port Harcourt looks like. I don't know if I'll be doing a lot of going out because the workload in the school is overwhelming. It's a lot, I can't even lie, but I'm sure I'll find time to explore Port Harcourt, and I'll bring you guys along with me. Anyways, guys, if you've watched this video to this point and you haven't subscribed, please do join the family. We have mostly fun here. We'll have only fun here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.